Hello dear subscribers, today I will show to you how to install Windows 7, how to prepare your macOS for installing Windows. So first thing, just open disk utility from here. From here you just need to add new tome, so for example like this one. So you can also just tap here, after just tap on that, and here you just need to choose like this one. I want to set for Windows like 150 gigabytes, so let's choose here MS-DOS FAT, and now you just need to tap on enable. So now just wait until it will finish. So I will show it to you. So let's just wait until it will finish. So here you can see that it successfully